Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between spaces that you've created in ClickUp. Now, to find the spaces that you create, I'm going to just click profile on the upper right hand side here. Just go to the settings. Then on the left hand side, you'll find spaces, and here you can find the spaces that you created right now. And these are the two spaces that I have. Now, the typical way that you will switch between spaces is once you're on home, you will be able to scroll down to the lower left hand side and you'll find spaces, right? And you can simply go ahead and click the little drop down towards the left hand side where you have space. So you will be able to see those different spaces. And under this section where you have spaces, you can just simply click between the different spaces that you have. So as you can see here, this is a Drew tutorial space, and there's also the Andrew space as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now, in case you also want to add different views to your space, as you can see, this is an overview, this is a calendar view, and so forth. You can always go ahead and add these views. So to do that, you want to click back on your profile again, go to the settings, click on spaces on the left hand side, and here you have the default view, so you can click on them. So for example, for Drew tutorial, I can click here and I can enable, for example, the calendar view, and just click and save, right? And you can always go back and change those whenever you need to. So here, for example, on the Andrew view, you can see here that I'm on this view and I have calendar there already anyways, but you get the idea. You can switch between them as you need to. And that's pretty much it, guys.